Meaning of Mammon.
Mammon. Mammon.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A term used in the New Testament, Matthew 6 verse 24, Luke 16 verse 13, to denote wealth or material possessions personified as a deity or a false god. 2. Wealth or material gain regarded as an evil or corrupting influence. Examples. 1. You cannot serve God and mammon. 2. The love of mammon is the root of all evil.
Proper
Definitions. 1. In biblical mythology, the name of the devil of covetousness and avarice. 2. The god of riches and wealth. Examples. 1. Mammon is often depicted as a demonic figure. 2. The worship of mammon was condemned by the prophets.
Mammon. Mammon.